This is my 1970 Volvo 1800E with fuel injection and four-wheel disc brakes. Pretty nice condition. There's a touch-up of a dent right here on the front fender. Coming down the left side, everything is pretty straight. There's some touch-ups along the crease line. Touch-ups along the rear flank. I believe that the paint below the belt line, as far as I can tell, is original. The roof and between the tail fins has been repainted, and that's evidenced by, you can see where it was masked around the windshield and the backlight gaskets. The color match is good, but close up you can see where it was masked around some of the trim. Coming down the right side, again there's some touch-ups around this scalloped portion. On the right side there is a bit of a dent on the rocker panel. There's some touch-ups around the hood, some paint blemishes along the fender, and there have been some rock chips around the nose. There's a little wrinkle in the front chrome, and touched up paint chips on the front end. And overall, it presents pretty well. We'll do a cold start. It's in neutral. There's the fuel pump coming on. Engine, oil pressure. It's always 5 o'clock on this clock, unless of course you change it. That is the parking brake lamp. Down the outside, this is a sport exhaust. Take a look at the engine. This is a nice turned aluminum hood handle. I could do this all day. It has such a nice spring-loaded feel to it. And the fuel-injected V20E engine.